Called Puyo Yang. Alright, so switching gears again, we're gonna make it a little fun. It's a very short song, but it's a fun song. It's about basically a boy who is head over heels about a girl that they just met and he just can't stop thinking about her. I'm sure we've all had those moments, right? Where we met somebody, whether you're a boy or a girl, whoever you are, and you go home and you just can't stop thinking about them. Like, what are you doing? Like, oh man, I can't stop thinking about you. There's just about the guy who's just in love with the girl. This one is called Hmong Sha. gonna shine. Thank you so much once again. My name is Mark Yang. Hope you guys have a wonderful day. Enjoy all the awesome food and all the other performances, alright?